Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the opportunity given to us. We are from Group 11, English Education Study Program, State University of Makassar. And this is an assignment from Introduction to Educational Research subject delivered by the lecturer Mr. Hairil Anwar Korompet SPD, MA, PhD. And so today, we want to present about chapter 11, the single subject experimental research. Okay, first of all, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Husnul Khotimah and my partner is Ade Ervina Reski. The first one is definition of single subject experimental designs. Single subject experimental designs, also referred to as single case experimental designs, can be applied when the sample size is 1. And the single subject experimental designs are typically used to study the behavior change an individual exhibits as a result of some intervention or treatment. In single subject experimental designs, the participant is alternately exposed to the non-treatment and a treatment condition or phase, and performance is repeatedly measured during each phase. Okay, the next, let's see the proof. The researcher aimed to find out whether corrective feedback could minimize students' linguistic error, and which type of corrective feedback had more permanent effect on students' writing accuracy through single subject experimental designs. So the next one is, what is the differences between single subject and group designs? Single subject designs are valuable complements to group designs, and single subject designs are most frequently applied in clinical settings where the primary emphasis on therapeutic outcomes.
Data analysis and interpretation when using single subject experimental research. Data analysis in single subject experimental research usually involves visual and graphical analysis, sometimes supplemented with statistical analysis. Given the small sample size, the primary criterion in the clinical significance of the result. When the researcher using single subject experimental research, the data analysis would be like this. As we can see from the thesis, the researchers involved graphical analysis and the participant exposed to treatment and non-treatment condition. Next is replication. As results from single subject design are replicated, we can have more confidence in the procedures that produce those results. Replication serves to set limits on the generalizability of findings. Direct replication is replication by the same investigator with the same or different subject in a specific setting, for example, a classroom. Systematic replication involves different investigators, behavior, and settings. Clinical replication involves the development of a treatment package composed of 2 or more interventions that have been found to be effective individually, designed for persons with complex behavior disorders. That's all from our group discuss about single subject experimental research. Thank you for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.